Today, I'll show you how to use the Quick Brush feature in CapCut for background removal and precise cutouts in your videos. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to isolate your main subject from any scene, put it onto a different background, and create pro-level visuals, all with just a handful of simple steps. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to set up your project in CapCut. Start by importing your media. Make sure you bring in both your main video, the one with the subject you want to cut out, and the background you'd like to use. Think of these clips as layers in a digital collage. Your video is the foreground, and the new background is waiting behind it. Go ahead and drag both files onto the timeline. Next, let's layer these clips correctly. Place your background on the base layer, often called Track 1. Then drag your main video, the one with the person or object you want to highlight, onto the layer just above, Track 2. If you picture stacking transparent sheets, you always want your subject on top of the background so CapCut can do its magic. If you mix the order up, you won't see the effect you're after, so double-check those tracks before moving on. Now, select the top video clip on Track 2 and look toward the top right Properties panel. Click over to the Video tab. CapCut tucks a lot of powerful options here, but right now, we're looking for one called Remove BG. BG stands for Background, and this option lets you cut away everything but your main subject. A real time saver compared to manual masking. With Remove BG open, you'll get a choice. Custom Removal. This is the feature you want for precise, creative control. Don't just accept a default. Custom Removal lets you fine-tune exactly what stays and what gets erased. Now, this is where the Quick Brush shines. You'll see three tools: Smart Brush, Pro, Smart Eraser, Pro, and Eraser, Free. If you have access to the Pro features, the Smart Brush is incredibly intuitive, like painting with a magic highlighter. Pick the Smart Brush tool, then start painting over the part of the video you want to keep. Imagine tracing around your friend in a group photo. You're guiding CapCut's AI with every brushstroke, helping it understand what's important. You don't have to be super precise at first. The brush is pretty forgiving, and the AI is designed to find edges and details. Take your time if your subject has a complex outline, a person with wild hair, for example, or something with lots of fine edges. And don't worry if it looks a little sloppy right away, we'll refine it in a second. If you notice any areas where CapCut grabbed too much background or missed a spot around your subject, switch to the Smart Eraser or the standard Eraser tool. These let you fine-tune your cutout, removing unwanted parts or cleaning up the edges. You can even resize the brush tip for those tricky detailed areas. Think of it like swapping between a big paintbrush and a fine-tipped pen. Once you're happy with the cutout, take a moment to preview your work. The background should clearly show behind your subject, with clean separation and no distracting bits hanging around. If it needs a little more tweaks, go back and adjust. But honestly, CapCut's tools are pretty impressive and should get most jobs done quickly. When everything looks good, you're ready to apply your changes and export. Continue editing if you want, or hit export to save your reimagined video. Now you've got a professional-looking result, perfect for YouTube, TikTok, or sharing with friends. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please smash that like button. Leave any questions or ideas down in the comments. I'm here to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step CapCut guides and creative editing tips. See you in the next video.